Hello, lovelies. How are you all doing? You're welcome again. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and assembling my new food processor, that is Ninja. I've always seen this Ninja online and I've never bought it. So now I want to try it. So I decided to carry you guys along so that you can see it with me. It is a very, very nice and beautiful food processor that every woman needs to have at home. So in today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing it and maybe assemble. But today I don't have any recipe in mind. So if I cannot assemble it today, I will do that when next I'm making a recipe. Okay, but I'll have to take you guys along. I will show you all the parts of the food processor, and it is a very nice thing to have at home, guys. If you are a mother, if you are a wife, you need to have this food processor. It is very, very important. It is a 3-in-1 food processor. There is a part for smoothie, like this cup is a smoothie cup, and there are also two jars or two jugs with a lot of blades to be used. So it is my first time ever buying this food processor, but I know it is going to be the best thing I've ever had, because I've seen a lot of videos, I've seen a lot of people use it, so I know it's going to do the job for me. Before, it used to be very expensive, but right now it is very, very affordable. This one, I got it for like 170 something euro, and you can get it for 154 euro. But if you want to add the guarantee, then you go up to 70 something euro. It's very, 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 very affordable. Here is my food processor. It came with this manual. So before use, I'll have to read this manual very well to be able to know the instructions. And then it came also with this little book. It's a recipe book. You have a whole lot of recipes inside. You can do your smoothie, cake, or anything you want. You can use this recipe book. This is one of the blades. This one you can use it to do like your dough. Maybe for the pizza lovers, you can use this one to do your pizza. And then it also came with this other blade. This one, you can use this side to slice. And then on the other side, here is written shredder. You can use this other side for shredding. Okay, it also came with this cup for smoothie lovers. You want to do like your smoothie, like to take it out, you can do it here and you use the cup. And it also came with, this is the motor base. This motor base, you can now put the jar on it. So this is the motor base. Here you have blend, max blend, chop, and puree, and anything mix. There is the instruction. You can also do it low, medium, high, or pause. This one is having a handle. Here you can also use this jug to crush your things, to blend, to do whatever you want. And then this is the bigger jug. This is the bigger jug. So this is all about my Ninja food processor, which I'm going to start using it. And we are going to be doing some recipes, because what my daughter would like to do, or she likes homemade food. So that's why I actually bought this thing, because she likes to make her food at home. So yeah, we are going to be doing some recipes, and I will show you when we are going to be assembling this thing, or when we are going to be making the first meal. Then I'm going to show you. All right, thank you all so much for watching. We would love to see you again in our next video. Bye bye.